Yep.
So,
This is I'm a red. You know? Yeah. I'm trying to show you guys what you need to know about your country. Like I've done it before. I've moved to many places, and today we're going to this one village. It's a bright Saturday morning. The sun is hot, but on water, so you don't need to be worried about how hot it's going to be. So, as you can see, we are cruising. We are cruising on water. For those of you who fear water, I want to assure you that, you know, if you don't know how to swim, trust me, this is just an inch away from you. So, if you don't know how to swim, you need to learn how to swim, because swimming is one of the basic life-saving skills. If you want to be free, enjoy your life, especially in jungle, such a beautiful place, learn how to swim and you will be fine. Really, really be fine. See the place around, check on the water. Such a beautiful place. Fish is all over, of course. Yeah. I need to tell them one thing, yeah? Okay. The rule of the game is, if the canoe takes you to the right, don't try to adjust and go back to the left, because it's only the driver. As you can see me, I'm very free. It's taking me to the left. I have to feel relaxed. I have been taught. Yeah, I'm following the skills, you know. Beautiful place. Oh my God. Mare. Lovely place. Just imagine being driven and you're not seeing where you're going, you're just being driven. Yeah, see, you even think you will hit your head on a tree, but it's only the driver who is in charge. So let yourself be free, don't fear.
yeah.
Remember, this is a program known as Know Your Country. I'll be taking you through all the places that I've visited. I'll be showing you videos of every place that I've been to, so you can know one or two things about that specific place. Yes, man, we're not falling. Yeah, confidence. Thank you, big man.